In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut metal EMT conduit for electrical wiring, protect your wires, and how to install it into a junction box using a set screw connector. Alright, let us begin. You're going to need something to clamp it down. I'm using a vise. And to cut it, you're going to need a pipe cutter. Or you can use a hacksaw. I like these. Put your conduit in the vise. You make your mark wherever you want to cut it. I'm just doing an example here, so I'm going to cut it wherever. But if I was, I'd measure it. I use a marker. I'll mark it like so. And I get my pipe cutter. Wasn't tight enough. You don't want to tighten too much. You don't want to bend it. Alright, so I put the pipe cutter on like so. Start snugging it down. Turn the cap here. You start to be careful to watch your fingers. Line up with my mark. What you want to do is try to get that wheel to embed in the metal just a little bit. Start off, start rocking it back and forth. Turn it some more to dig your wheel in some more. Rocking it back and forth. It's time to go a little further. Tighten it up as you go. I prefer to do it this way so it doesn't walk on you. It likes to go up and down. Once you get it seated in, and just tighten it up as you go around. Go around once, turn a little more, dig that wheel in, turning it, grind it in some more, turning it, grind it in some more. You see it's starting to break free, and there it goes. Now what you do, you deburr it, take off the sharp ends, like that on the inside. You don't tear the wire up. Now what I do, I go the extra mile. I like to use a smooth file. It's a mill file, and I like to deburr the ends of it. I'm sure some people are going to say not to do this. Most likely you don't have to, but I'm a safety nut, so I prefer to take off any sharp ends. Don't want to damage the wire or anything else. Alright, so now we got that piece cut. Move our vise out of the way. Your vise is probably clamped down. I like to move mine away here and there. So get your splice box. This is for demonstration purposes. This is not being used for any circuit. I know there's two holes there. Like I said, it's just for demonstration purposes. So you get your set screw connector. Take your lock nut off. Put it on the inside. We'll go through the center so it's easier to see. So put that through there. Set screw on there. Tighten her up. Now, if you don't have anything to really tighten her up, you can use a flathead screwdriver. Tap it lightly. Just put my flathead right there. Tap it. Tighten it up. And you just want to get a snug fit. You tighten it up too much, I've had these snap already. So once we get that in, get your metal EMT conduit. Put it inside the hole of your set screw connector, and you tighten up your set screw. Now that you cut your conduit, you installed it into the set screw connector and into your box. Now you're good to go. Run your wire. Complete the job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment below. I appreciate it, guys.